How to fix TikTok search bar not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your TikTok app and head towards your profile. Now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars, tap on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down, tap on the option of logout. After you log out of your TikTok account, again log in back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, the solution is go to the settings and privacy page. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Over here you will find the section for cache and cellular. Go to the option of free up space. Now you have to clear cache, so tap on this option of clear. Tap on clear again. With that your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards another solution, you have to update your TikTok app. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option of update as mine, you can tap on it and update your TikTok app to its latest version. By applying these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix TikTok search bar not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.